Okay, straight face. I can't do it. Okay, hello, people. It is obviously me, and obviously Caitlin. So, one of our friends had this idea to, put other things in applesauce. So, we have our applesauce. Hers is maybe eaten. But, so, we're gonna try applesauce with different things to see how it tastes, I guess. That's how I would say it. So, putting this up here, we are going to bring our chairs up and probably move them up a little bit so you can see them. Okay, so, empty my spoon. No, I didn't.
She is so smart.
Yeah. Okay. Kool-Aid and applesauce. Ew. Grody.
Thank you for bringing that into
Ew, just spread.
Ew.
Okay. I'll use this one too. Well, that's different. Like fruity, I guess. Kind of sour and kind of sweet, and it kind of tastes like
Remember
coffee.
this? No.
We had tried this before the video, so we didn't use as much Kool-Aid, and we didn't actually use Kool-Aid. We used
Back to see our facial expression.
we were looking at her facial expressions before we decided to do the video, and so she goes, no.
No. No, I'm not eating this.
Except she didn't have the applesauce on her lip. That was a Lauren thing, because I obviously don't know how to work a spoon. Hit myself in the head. Why, Hand? Why do you choose to abuse me?